forget to celebrate and enjoy life. We are all living in this blank canvas. It is up to you how you'll make your own masterpiece. We have been given a unique gift, talent, the choice we make, and the path we choose. It all depends on how you'll make use of that gift. Life is a gift. We must celebrate it. We have to enjoy, to show God that we are grateful to be alive. My vision is to share the beauty and reality of the world. I want to share to people what it's like to be alive.
Life is so beautiful. If you start to observe and become alert into what you're observing about your life, you will see from where you were even till now. There were so many wonderful moments. But what we do, we like to hang upon miserable moment. We like to have this maniac side of ourselves. We like to fall upon misery and happiness and happy moment. But there is so many more to life than that. So rediscover yourself and being that strength itself. You will see that every aspect of your life have brought you to be who you are.
Stop chasing the dreams of other people for you. Instead, start moving forward and chase your own dream.
If you love something, carry on doing it with love and let that love grow.
The dream doesn't actually matter. What matter is you take a small step forward.
We have to have some enthusiasm in something. If we don't have an enthusiasm in doing something, we can't pursue. So how to ignite back, it's have to be clear in what you want. And just do it. Don't get discouraged. Don't hold upon like quick result. The spiritual field, we have to keep climbing. In the path of love, we have to keep growing.
Life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop to look around once in a while, you could miss it. No matter what anybody tells you, words and ideas can change the world.